First up, safety. It's easy to get lost in the grandeur of a cruise ship, but it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially in relation to safety measures. Knowing where lifeboats and muster stations are located can shave off crucial seconds in case of an emergency. But safety isn't just about knowing where the exits are. It also means being vigilant about potential hazards. Wet surfaces, unattended items, and even rogue seagulls can pose threats. So remember, a watchful eye can prevent unnecessary accidents. Next, health and hygiene. Cruise ships are a melting pot of cultures and unfortunately germs. Frequent hand washing and adherence to sanitation measures are your best defenses against illnesses. If you're not a fan of hand sanitizers, it might be time to make them your new best friend. Now let's talk about the cruise line itself. Not all are created equal. Some prioritize customer satisfaction and safety more than others. Do your homework. Look for cruise lines with a reputation for safety, legal compliance, and environmental stewardship. Your conscience and your vacation photos will thank you. But what about your luggage? It's easy to overpack when you're heading out for a week or two at sea. But remember, cabin space is at a premium. Be smart about what you pack. Essentials first, luxuries second. And don't forget to keep your valuables safe. Use the in-room safe or the ship's safety deposit box for peace of mind. To wrap it up, embarking on a cruise vacation means more than just boarding a ship. It's about keeping safety at the forefront, maintaining health and hygiene, choosing a responsible cruise line, and being smart about your belongings. Keep these tips in mind, and you're well on your way to a memorable and worry-free voyage. Bon voyage! As we sail towards the end of this video, remember that the perfect holiday experience doesn't need to break the bank. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the link in the description below. Our partners at EHA, European Holidays Away, have a wide range of holiday products to make your vacation planning a breeze. From flights, hotels, hostels to train tickets and even cruise ships, they've got you covered with the best prices guaranteed. And the journey doesn't stop here. Explore our playlist for more videos on various travel destinations and cruise ships. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you to your next dream holiday. Bon voyage, once again.